Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a header in Google Sheets. So unlike Google Docs, there is a specific menu that you can select to easily create a header on the file. But in Google Sheets, there is no such thing as header menu. So if you want to create or make a header, you can follow my step, my trick here. So what you need to do is just freeze the entire row that you want to make a header. So for example, I want to make this from row 1 until 4, this entire rows in here as the header, and I want to make it still there even if I scroll to the bottom. So what you need to do is just drag these gray lines at the left in here at the row settings. You can just drag it to the designated row, this one for example. So when I scroll down, this will still always be there, so it can be treated or used as header. So just like that, I hope this simple trick will be helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.